eggs, she doesn't leave the den. Not once. Unable to feed, she's starving. Her last act of devotion is to blow water over the eggs to help them hatch. Young, fully developed octopus pop out. Though only a few will survive to adulthood, she's given them the best chance she can. After her long and lonely vigil, she is dead. Surely this sacrifice must make her one of nature's most devoted mothers. Here, 30 meters beneath the Costa Rican forest canopy, another dedicated mother ensures that her young also have the best possible start in life. This tiny strawberry poison arrow frog, only the size of a fingernail, is guarding her fertilized eggs. Whilst the eggs and tadpoles are developing, she and her mate keep watch, making sure that they are safe from predators. But they can't stay here forever. The leaf litter is drying out, and tadpoles need water. She must do something, and fast. She needs to move them, and so encourages one tadpole to climb on her back. She now begins an epic journey. But it's not to a pond, as you might expect. She is looking for something very particular. Her journey takes her across the forest floor to the foot of a tall tree, and then she starts to climb. For such a little frog, it is a marathon ascent.